Hello dear students, welcome to our lecture series on geography. Air is a synonym for atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of a variety of gases and other particles. Most of the planets in our solar system and even some of the moons have atmosphere. But the atmospheres of these planets and moons are very different from that of the Earth. Important characteristics of Earth's atmosphere is the temperature and pressure. In last episode, we discussed about atmospheric pressure, so today we can concentrate on atmospheric temperature. And the topic can be studied under the following captions: characteristics of air temperature, atmospheric layers, atmospheric temperature and pressure, factors affecting atmospheric temperatures, atmospheric temperature and greenhouse effect. Let us start with characteristics of air temperature. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. It is actually a measure of the average kinetic energy or speed of the molecules in a substance. The more kinetic energy the molecules have, the higher their temperature and vice versa. Air temperature is measured with a thermometer and is expressed using the Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale or the Celsius scale. The Kelvin scale is convenient for scientific calculations, but it is not used to report the air temperature. The envelope of gas surrounding the Earth changes from the ground up. 4 distinct layers have been identified using thermal characteristics, chemical composition, movement and density. Each of the layers is bounded by pauses where the greatest changes in thermal characteristics, chemical composition, movement and density occur. The temperature of the air is caused by the combination of air, water and land working together. These 3 factors heat and cool areas at different rates. Temperature also varies by the time of day, the season or even the year. Dew point temperature. Dew point temperature is a measure of the moisture content in the atmosphere and is the temperature to which air must be cooled for saturation to occur. When saturation is reached, condensation occurs and such things as dew, frost or fog may occur. The dew point temperature is a good indicator of the actual amount of water vapor in the air. High dew point temperatures indicate there is high water vapor content, which indicates the air is moist. Low dew point temperatures indicate there is low water vapor content, which indicates the air is dry. Temperature is used to define the layers of the atmosphere. There are several ways of classifying the different layers of atmosphere. The most common classification is based on the vertical distribution and variations of temperature in the atmosphere. In this classification, from the lowest layer to the highest layer are respectively the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere and finally the thermosphere. The thickness and boundary of each layer are not identical throughout the globe but vary in different time and places. Let us discuss these layers in detail.